Hey guys, this is Jamie with gettingcrafty.net. Let me introduce you to my son. This is Sal. Isn't he cute? Look at the face. Look at the face. And it's my face. It's my boo-boo. I'm putting lip gloss on, so in honor of not bugging him, I didn't kiss him, but I totally should kiss him before the end of the show. The show. Nice, huh? So today we are making a card because what day is today? Do you remember?
It is Thursday.
Bring your son or daughter to work day.
Let's bring your son or daughter to work day. Yep.
And so he happens to be home on a rare day from college. And so I just thought it would be fun since he's taking his sister out on a date today because what's happening this weekend?
Her birthday.
Yeah.
Right?
And
yeah.
How old is she?
15.
She is. She's
Crazy.
15. And so as they are getting older and I am not, I thought we could create with some of the newest products from Stampin' Up and make a card. But I'm going to make him do it. So I'm going to walk him through it. And he has picked the new collection regarding Cheerful Daisies and Fresh as a Daisy Designer Series paper. And we're going to have fun creating right now. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're using a brand new Designer Series paper from Stampin' Up called Fresh as a Daisy. And I love the new colors that are all incorporated in here. So my son picked one of these. Which one did you pick?
I picked that one.
Why?
Looks like a good picture Karina would take.
And what does she do for a hobby?
She likes photography.
She does.
And it looks flat like Indiana.
So it does. It's very flat like Indiana. And we're going to be using from the new stamp set, Cheerful Daisies, a greeting from there. We're not allowed to show you the new stamp set, I believe, until it actually comes out. But we have the greeting all laid out. So this is going to be what we would call simple stamping for my son. He's grabbing paper snips because he could do one of two things. You could cut it out with the paper cutter or your paper snips. Can you cut that up and
It'll be close enough.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Now, what do you like to do with your spare time?
Sleep.
Sleep. You do not.
I don't have spare time. So.
You don't have spare time. So, but what were you doing today? What are you taking her out in?
Oh, my 75 Ford Ranchero GT.
Yeah.
So that's my baby.
That is your baby, and one of your hobbies is classic cars.
Yep.
And so it's really fun. Now, I'm going to point out, someday you're going to end up married with children. Did you
Probably.
know you? Yeah, I hope so. I want lots of grandbabies.
I know you do.
And so
You stop trying to prearrange marriages.
Oh no, every day. If you guys have a really beautiful daughter that's a on fire for the Lord Christian, who's 19, 20, 18 in that age range, who actively serves in our church, this is my advertisement to you. Go ahead, send me their information.
It's okay, ladies.
Okay, so we're going to tuck this away. And I really liked the golden scene that you see here. It's very much reminiscent of the Indiana and the corn and soy and the wheat fields. Shush, it's not just soy and dirt. So we're looking at like 5 1/4 by 4 inches. So it's already kind of down for you, but it's also, look at, I mean, it's not perfect, bud. Like, what were you thinking?
Maybe like I did a pretty good job.
I think you did a great job. Ladies, what do you think? You did a great job.
Just trim it yourself.
We're going to trim it down a little bit because I want it straight. Boom, shakalaka. And I'm going down just a smidge.
Oh, that's great. What are you doing?
Just a smidge because we're going to create a layer. Is that okay?
I feel like this is going to take longer than you told me it was going to take.
It's not going to take longer than that. No, it's perfect. It's great. So we're going to take our Night of Navy ink pad just because I want a nice blue that's going to come back here. And even though it's not listed in that color profile, like brown is, but I think that she'd prefer blue, don't you think? Or do you want to do the brown?
I think Karina will be happy.
With whatever you do?
Yep.
Okay, so make sure it's spelled right. Wishing you the brightest birthday. So you're going to pat, pat, pat. Much like you would touch a little baby. Oh, no, no. Not talk about babies. Don't get rushed into babies anytime soon. But where in here would you like to stamp? I'm going to leave it to you.
How about we just put that on the inside of the card? Leave
No,
this just. Here's the thing, ladies. I like simple art like this. This is nice and simple. Don't ruin it by throwing some words on there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
This will go on the inside. How about
Okay,
that?
so ladies, I have done videos before where it has assured you that men like it simple, especially with card making and crafting. Do you want a bunch of words that you have to read, bud?
Not a bunch.
No.
Kiss.
Kiss. There you go.
Keep it simple, stupid.
Let's keep it simple stamper. How about that? Can we do
it simple, stampers? Yes. Exactly, Mom's motto. Yep. That's
You
what I was.
guys might hear what I say around the house a little bit here. Hopefully so come on, son. So we're just gonna make a little individual, like, little thingy. So it goes to 5 1/4. We're gonna go out just a smidge here, and we want to create a frame because it looks better. It's a little bit more grounded, right?
Sure.
So we're gonna go to 4. I'm gonna go out a quarter, or what's in between a quarter? 1/8 of an inch. There you go. And so you really want to make it simple.
Why not?
I know. Okay. Do you know what we do with this? We fold it.
We bone it.
And we do bone it. Okay, son. So we're gonna go to 45 for a simple.
Tell 'em that story. That's a good one.
No, I'm not gonna tell them any stories unless you want to tell them. Go ahead, tell the nice ladies.
Oh, well, Mom used to do crafting classes for like us when we were like kindergarten, and then I used to call that the boner. This little guy. I'd be like, hand me the boner, and she thought it was funny.
I did think it was
funny.
Understand.
No, kindergarten.
He didn't understand, you guys. So we're going to do this just really simple because he is taking her out and he's actually going to do this card and show her that he made her this card. And I thought that would be really sweet.
Am I giving this to her today?
No, you'll give it to her on her birthday, which is actually Sunday, you guys.
It's Sunday? Gosh.
It's actually Sunday, but she gets to celebrate today with you, tomorrow with her bestie, and then tomorrow evening with a bunch of friends.
Yep.
And then Saturday and Sunday, and then done.
You said this evening too?
No, we're not doing anything tonight.
Good.
No, we have Taekwondo tonight. Yep. Okay, so that is the scene. Now I'm going to point out.
Let's make this a little bit like, the double-sided sticky things.
Oh, you want dimensionals? We can do that.
I think that's a good idea.
Okay, so then you get to do that. So how do we do it? Do you remember? I'm going to take one off, put it down, and pull it off. Go ahead, do the other as well. I get ready. Now, I applied this before, like, stamping the greeting. You should stamp it before you guys are done. This is very simple stamping with my son. Bring your son to work day. It even counts for crafting. Wishing you the brightest birthday. I think that's really pretty. I think she's going to like that. Now you have it on with dimensionals. Now it's going to be snug.
So why don't you put it on there? Because I'm not good at centering stuff.
You could if you tried. But you're not super, like, detail oriented.
It's close enough.
It is close enough. So I'm going to point out this is not perfectly centered, but if you look at one end and it looks centered, who cares if it's off a little bit? It's an optical illusion. One of the ways to create that. Do you want to add any embellishments or anything? Do you want to add a little sparkle?
You got some, like, bird stamps you can throw right here or something?
You can't stamp it now that it's down, bud.
Oh, of course not. That would be ridiculous.
Because it's going to have bumps from your adhesive. Sure.
That would be awful. We can't do that now, can we?
No, can't. Okay, so my son insists that he wants to add little birdies to this. So we grab the black Stampin' Right marker, and what we're going to do is he wants to do what? Why don't you show me what you want to do?
Well, I don't know how it's going to look, actually, but we're going to do...
It's too late now, so there's no going back, son. Now you have to go over it to make it nice and a little bit darker.
That looks good
pretty.
enough.
Actually, that is pretty. Good job.
Don't act surprised.
Hey, he's been crafting his whole life, you guys. Well, I joined when he was 2.
Well, that one's kind of screwed up, but we'll call it good.
Is this our blue herons out in the sky?
Sure.
Awesome.
And then, it's okay. It's good enough. Yeah, you can fix it up if you'd like.
Okay, can I? A little bit? Just maybe we'll come in and we'll...
That one has big feathers.
It does have bigger feathers, and I might be screwing it up.
I was gonna say, that's what I was saying. I don't know how you're gonna make it better.
We're gonna tell your sister you did it. Okay.
Well, hey.
Okay, ladies. He's modeling it for you. Ooh, all new products. No. Yes, birds don't fly sideways. Okay. Stop being schmexy. There you go. So, bring your son to work day. And this is my cute boy, you guys. Look at him. He's so cute. Mwah!
I thought we agreed that we weren't doing that.
Well, he made a card for his sister. And boys like it simple. I think that's funny.
Yeah.
And you look smexy with your little...
I don't.
Oh, you should wear it all day, including when you go meet that girl.
I'm not meeting any girl. Can you leave me alone?
This is the new designer series paper and the new greeting from the Daisy collection that we have out called Cheerful Daisies and Fresh as a Daisy. I love it. I think this scene's very Indiana. I think it's beautiful. And I love having my kids participate in this journey of mine. There you go. So if you guys want some simple stamping with a little bit of hand-drawn artwork right in the middle, there you go. Thank you, son.
Yep. You're welcome.
Have a great day, you guys. Comment, let him know what you think of this handmade card. I'm sure he'll appreciate it.
Tell Mom to calm down.
If you know of a really gorgeous girl that would match up with him, let me know. He doesn't want to know. There you go. So preferably if they were in Indiana. And yeah, he doesn't want to leave Indy.
Well, no long distance. How about that?
How about no long distance? It's because he's tried that before. It didn't work. So,
hey,
hey,
we don't need to.
We don't go there.
We're gonna edit this video. Actually.
We are out. Okay, bye, you guys. Have a great day. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell. See these upcoming videos. No. Comment. Let us know what you think. Did he do a good job with his little birdies added on?
It was fine before you tried to fix it. All right.
Thanks, you guys, for joining me. Subscribe and hit that bell and make the world a more beautiful place, one handmade card at a time. And then join us as we create and connect over card making and crafting. There's a reason to celebrate every day of the year, and this is our Bring Your Son or Daughter to Work today. So I brought you mine. Have a great day, you guys. Crafting blessings. Bye.